Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. And I am very excited about today because it's going to be a little bit different compared to my first one. I'm going to start off by showing you the items that are in the box, and then later my sister, who is also known as Hank's Vintage on Instagram as well as YouTube, is going to join us to try some of these products, and I'm so excited. Let's dive into the box. The first thing in the box is going to be this card, so let's go ahead and read it. It looks like the theme for this month is Mother Nature. And of course on the back it tells you what the item is, how much it costs, and gives you a little blip about the item itself. Let's take a look at the first item in the box, which are a yam beauty care Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Removes even waterproof mascara. These Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots with moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. And these retail for $17. All right, the next item in the box is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. When I saw this was in my box, I don't think you understand the amount of excitement I had. The Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask, a creamy, nutrient-dense soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. And these retail for $49. The next item I'm going to grab in the box is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk, and it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. The Ace Beaut. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And these retail for $34.99. The next item in the box is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Bring out skin's inner radiance with this illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while a potent blend of signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten moisture and improve the appearance of skin over time. And this retails for $42. I'm blown away by the prices of these items right now, and I only paid $25. The last item in the box is this beautiful lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics. It is the Lip Pencil Red Brick Road. The lip liner of your dreams. Creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting to help complement any lip look. And this retails for $16. I have my sister! Because I was really impressed with this month's BoxyCharm. Are we centered? Scoot. Okay. We're gonna use these. Yam, Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. These makeup wipes are $17.
We're removing the beauty, so get ready to see some rats.
I don't feel like they're pulling my skin like some of my other makeup wipes that I have.
Yeah, those last ones you had sucked.
Yeah.
These are really nice. They're smooth, they're moisturizing feeling.
Yeah, they do feel moistury.
It's just not...
The only thing that could probably bother people is the smell, but I like it.
Oh, I love it. Also, just so you guys know, I have really sensitive skin. Like,
Yeah.
I react and break out to everything, and...
That's partially why I wanted you in this, because you have a very different skin type.
This is good. My skin isn't getting all red and, like, itchy and bumpy, but this is awesome. These are great.
Our Glam Glow Berry Glow. I'm very excited about this. You ready?
I'm ready.
It is...
$100.
Yes.
Are you serious? Oh my god. I was like, what?
It is $49. The directions are apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes for best results. Tissue off and smooth in any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry.
Ew, it feels like Flarp. If you guys ever played with Flarp, that's what it feels like. What if this is one of those things where like you put it on your hair and then your hair comes out when you wipe it off? Wouldn't that suck? Like a nair.
Why are you putting it on your hair?
Oh, I put it on my eyebrow.
Why?
That's it, they're gonna fall out. Like I was telling you guys, I kind of have sensitive skin. This burns my skin a little bit.
I feel a little bit of like a tingle, but not enough for me to be like, ouch.
Yeah, not like overall burn. Like I feel the overall tingle kind of on my face, but right in this areas where it's dry. It could be just because my skin's dry too. What is it, 10 minutes?
Yes.
We'll do 9.
No, but that's not what the directions say. I started to feel that burn around here a little bit.
Yeah, it's going away though, but look, I think it's kind of red. Can y'all see that?
So I think it's cleaning off all the ratness that we have on our face usually.
She said it's burning off cells. I said my eyebrow's going for sure. Aren't probiotics what you're supposed to eat? No, it's not antibiotics. Antibiotics are to fight things.
You're gonna lose the eyebrow. Oh, I see it coming off.
Stop. I used to not have freaking eyebrows. I came into class one day and everybody was like, because I went from 0 to 100.
I'll know how my skin looks after, you know, we take it off.
TMJ. There's exercises to help with that.
What is TMJ? You don't even know when
No.
you're using the acronym.
Because
like,
I know what it is! The temperamenticular.
I remember I got hit in the face at a soccer game, and that's why mine is weird like that.
Ew, your back's peeling.
Oh my god!
So gently rub your face in. Ew. Honestly, this kind of grosses me out. Because I don't like the booger juice that comes off my face. Look, does this not look like dirt coming off? I think it looks like
I thought it was.
dirt.
At first I was like, those makeup wipes really didn't work.
Honestly, my face kind of is glowing though. Good news, the eyebrow stayed on.
I don't mind it. I kind of like that my face feels, it feels like moisturized and tight at the same time.
I feel like I'm gonna break out.
This is the Glow Head Illuminating Face Oil, so this is what we're going to apply now.
Ew, my hands are like gross. Wait, where do you put this? Woohoo, you guys! This is gorgeous. I bet this makes your skin like, it puts sparkles on your face. Like really subtle sparkles.
Yeah.
And it's pink.
It looks more luminous. Before I just looked moisturized.
This adds sparkles.
Yes,
It
I like
gives you
that
some
though.
shimmer. Me too.
Hannah is not going to participate in the eyeshadow and lip liner try on because she doesn't usually wear a lot of makeup. She's naturally beautiful.
Oh, thank you. If I received this, I'm overall satisfied with the products that came in. Even if the berry thingy, which made my face a little red, it could just be sometimes too my skin has to get used to certain things, so.
What was your favorite out of all 3? Please make sure you go follow her Hanks Vintage account both on Instagram and YouTube. She does a lot of really cool sustainable shopping and hauls.
And thrifting and all that fun stuff. Bye, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ow, your earring kind of stabbed me.
You're welcome. Thank you for doing this with me.
Bye.
I have applied all of my face makeup. Let's go ahead and get started with this eyeshadow palette. It's almost as if the first layer of the shimmers needed a moment to come through because on this side it is much more bright than it was on this side. I love the colors. They are right up my alley when it comes to doing just any type of look. The mattes worked right away. I like this palette a lot. I will definitely be using it again in the future. Blended very nicely, super, super pigmented. Now let's move on to the next item in the box, which is the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil. This lip liner is awesome. It glides on very smoothly. I loved the color. Do you like the look? All right, let's recap. Makeup wipes, were awesome. They felt smooth. I didn't feel like they were pulling my skin away like I did with my previous wipes. They also made me feel very moisturized when I was done, which was nice to feel. The Glam Glow Berry Glow Mask. I enjoyed this. I think it's just something new my skin is gonna have to get used to. I'll be honest with you, I have not done a face mask in a very long time just because I don't have one. I'm going to give this a couple more shots. I don't feel like you can really judge a face mask based on the first go. The last product that was skincare related was the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I don't really know how much of a luminous glow it gives you because I did use the Glam Glow Berry Glow Mask before it, but areas such as my forehead and my nose that weren't so red, I did see a little bit of a luminous vibe coming off of those parts of my face. The eyeshadow palette, I like this a lot. The pigment is there, it blended very nicely. The only fault I guess I would find in this are the shimmer eyeshadows. I felt like I had to kind of scrape off the first layer for me to really get pigment on my eyeballs. I personally always heard really great things about Gerard Cosmetics, and it proved to be exactly what other people said. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing slash try on. I had a really great time looking through this box. I think the products are just wow. This is my second BoxyCharm and I'm amazed. Thank you again, Hanks Vintage, for being a part of my YouTube video today. I had a lot of fun filming with you and we will be doing that more often, so be prepared. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much and I will see you all in the next video.